Hi, this is Anvesh Verma, founder and CEO of Dakshit Biosolutions. We are manufacturer of compostable carry bags and plant in based at Bhimavaram, West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. You can have a look over here. Typically, I am a first-time entrepreneur of setting up my own plant for myself, where Mr. Rajkumar Mathu, who has been mentored me very well to establish this plant in guiding in every possible way, production of the raw materials, the type of machinery based on of the products which we want to produce, the marketing strategies. It will be very helpful for me to start a new manufacturing business, and it's been more than 1 year and I'm successfully running my company, and I'm very much thankful to Mr. Rajkumar ji for guiding me to establish this wonderful industry and guiding me to become a entrepreneur from a worker. I'm very thankful to you, sir, and